Kia ora koutou, welcome back. I'm Sasha, and today I've got another skipping tutorial for you, which I'm super excited about because I'm going to teach you your very first leg cross. There are lots of different leg crosses in jump rope that we can do. We're going to start off with what I think might be the easiest one for you to pick up. It's called the Crouger. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like to start with. Don't be scared. We've got this. I'll walk you through it, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to break this down. First of all, we're going to use our toe catch. So we're going to learn what to do with our leg and our arms with the toe catch. Don't worry about jumping, all right? Let's start in starting position. And then as we come over, we're just going to lift up one leg. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's the left or the right leg. You'll naturally go for whichever one feels easiest because we do have a side that generally is easier than the other side. So my easiest side with the Crouger is my right side. So we're going to do it again. Starting position, come up and over and lift up that leg and place the same arm underneath the knee. Okay? We've got to watch our balance here. All right, a couple of tips for you on this. So as we come over, we try to toe catch it under there. We're going in underneath the knee. So not too far up the leg, not all the way down at the ankle, in underneath the knee. And you'll see there, my wrist is pointing out, my thumb is up on top, okay? So I'm not this way under my leg, thumbs up on top, wrist pointing out. All right, let's try that again. Up and over, lift. Cool. Okay, so once we've got that movement kind of down, you can do that as much as you want, all right? Then we can try give it a little jump. So what we do this time, as it comes over, we lift up the leg, then give it a little jump. Just see if we can get over the rope. Notice how I'm leaving my leg up in the air. This is really important. Keep that leg lifted because we need to exit the move, all right? And that can be the hardest part. So the exit looks like this. So we come up and over, keep the leg up, see how the leg's up, and then I sweep the rope out into the side, into a side swing. All right, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Let's have a look in slow-mo. Okay, so that's the Crouger. A few tips to try to remember. Keep that leg lifted, okay? So to exit, I'm keeping it up, I'm keeping it up. If you drop it too early, you're going to get stuck there. All right? Keep the leg up and just sweep out and into an open. I would also recommend with this move that you just go straight into it. So with a few moves that we've taught so far, we go bounce, bounce, Crouger. That's a little bit hard when you're first starting to learn these leg crosses. So don't worry about jumping beforehand, okay? So just go straight into the Crouger. So from here, and because you need to try to get your timing for it. If you try to go to it from basic bounces, might be a little bit harder. That perhaps is level 2. Okay, so this is called the Crouger. I'm so excited. We're on the journey of leg crosses. There's so many cool ones to learn. Keep practicing this one. It will take a while. Keep coming back. You've got this, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite anō.